Hey guys, pretty excited about this little card here, and it's a tuning gauge for the Dragon 65. I got the idea from a friend of mine, Don Martin, and some of the settings and numbers and all that came from the Dragon Force site, as well as Sock Sales, Tim Long. Good job, buddy. So anyways, what I have here, just to show you, in the middle of the card there's a bunch of settings to do with the rake for the forward and rear, as well as the gate settings and where to measure from. These are all like really basic kind of settings, and you can tune it to your boat however you want, but it'll give you a bit of a starting point and a way to kind of keep track of your measurements too as well. It's just another way too that you can mark on this card, but it again, it's just basic settings. So how it works here is how I have it done is you set up your rake, then you start measuring out. So the way I have it is you measure your draft first, then you do your twist. So how to do that, you say? Well, on the main draft, it's main sheet out haul to sail. So from the out haul to sail, right? So from here, that oval part is kind of like your sweet spot. Okay, and on the card there, you've got the grade, grade more air or less, you want to tune it from there. Now, we all know that the setting on the Dragon Force, you've got your jib boom basically right there, and you've got the main boom pointing to the corner here, right? So from here, to do your main twist now is basically from your backstay line to the second batten, right? So you can measure it out from there, like that, okay? And onto the jib. So you got your jib draft. I have it from the pivot point here. So I've got it set up a little bit on the greater air, bigger air setting right now, but you see how the sweet spot is there. And then now for the twist setting, okay, so it's from the middle of, approximate middle of the jib out as such. Okay, so these cards, they're on the Hot RC Sales website. Now, they're on sale for $5. You think that's a lot, but here's the thing. That $5 goes directly to a couple of charities. One's $3 of that $5 goes to the Cancer Institute, and $2 goes to JDRF. So, it's my way of contributing to the community, as well as a couple of great charities. We've all been affected by cancer, I'm sure, and same thing, diabetes is a huge thing. So, it's just something to chip against against those really kind of harsh realities of life there. So anyways, that's how it works. Thought I'd share that with you. Cheers.